All right, welcome. This is week 14 homework solution for Math 8. Here we have Monday, November 4th homework solution. Number 1, match each graph with the equation that represents the relation. Okay? So the relations that we have here are the following. Y equals 2x plus 1, y equals x squared minus 1, and y equals x cubed plus 2. Okay, we want to look at some characteristics. Y equals 2x plus 1. We want to look at the exponent above here. Okay, the exponent here is 1. This should look really familiar because this one is your linear equation. Okay, that is your basic linear equation. And the only one that is linear in this case, because the exponent here is 1, would be C. So we would say this is C. Okay, let me grab there, paste it. Nope, let me grab the transparent right here and paste it right there. Okay, this is your linear equation. All right, next, your x squared minus 1. Notice that the exponent here is a square. Okay, this is a parabola, okay, which makes like a U shape. Okay, so this one is your, right, even powered exponent. Okay, that one, let me move this to the side so we can grab it. This one, right, so let's take a look, would be the even exponent. It would be this one because it makes a curve. All right, leaving this one as the cube. Okay, so this one would be your cube term. So this is your odd powered exponent. Okay, okay, move this, and your odd power is that one. The only one left is this one. Okay, then some of you don't want to believe me, so let me show you this. Right, I'm going to pull up Desmos. Okay, right, and I'm going to graph. Right, so the first one was y equals 2x plus 1. Okay, notice how it matches exactly right there. Okay, the second one was this one. It was y equals x squared minus 1. Exactly the same. And then we have y equals x cubed plus 2. Okay, matches identically. All right. Okay, next one, which represents a linear function, linear relationship. Select all that apply. Again, there are two criteria that we looked at. Okay, and we're gonna sort of figure it out after we do number 2, or you could remember the core concept. So let's just graph it in Desmos and we'll see. All right, so the first one was y equals for x plus 3. Yep, that is linear, so let's get a green check mark right here. And the next one was negative 2x plus 2y equals negative 8. Oh, that is also linear. You see? Okay. Next one, y equals 3x cubed plus 1/2. Nope, it curves. This one doesn't work. So I'm just going to cross this one out. Okay, x squared plus y equals to 3. This one looks like it shouldn't work. Okay, because of I see this squared. Let's take a look. X squared, you see right there, it already curved, plus y equals to 3. Yep, it curves. See that? So this one wouldn't work. Okay, so the first two are linear, the last two aren't. So they say, take a look here. Y equals x squared plus 1 and y equals 4x plus 1 represents two different relations. What are the criteria to tell the difference between linear and nonlinear? Okay, this was the core concept. All right, so I'm gonna just remove this out and we can actually type it. Okay, I want you to remember that there are two criteria. There are two criterias. Okay, or um, two heuristics. Okay, right. The first one, the first one would be the exponent for, this is for what? For linear. Okay, the exponent has to be a power of 1. It can't be anything else. The exponent has to be a power of 1. Nothing more. Also, if it's more than 1, it's basically nonlinear. And also, for it to be linear, right, the variables are only x and y and no other terms. Okay? There are no other terms. All right? So what I mean by no other terms is um, x and y aren't together. Okay? So there you go. This was the core concept if you remember it. Okay? So there you go. This is all your homework solution for Monday, November the 4th.